Welcome friends. In this video, I will tell about how I done two projects for the GRIP Jan 2022 internship. So I just prefer my data science and business analytics internship in GRIP January 2022. So the first task is prediction using supervised machine learning. So predict the percentage of students based on the number of students, number of study hours. So there is a similar linear regression. So by using the simple linear regression, you will predict the students percentage based on the study hour. If the student studied up till this hour, how he get the percentage. So we want to predict the score for 9.25. Also the second one is using unsupervised learning. We just use iris database, predict the optimal number of clusters and represent it visually. So for both and all, they give the link for the data. So just import the libraries which we want to use that. So then I just read the data from the data set and just print the three values. Then I just check the type of the data frame. Then I just the number of rows and columns in the data frame. Then I check whether there is any null values in the data frame. If there is no, means I just continue. I just duplicate that. Then I just get the shape for that. Then date of horse. So how many values repeated? So if the values repeated means for horse 9.2 means they scored 88. So it will be written once. So every value is written once. Then we just plot the student study hour versus percentage scored. For that, I just plot of x equal to horse, y equal to horse. So the title equal to this and style equal to O. So we already give so data here. So we give x label for the label for x and y label for y and title is here. Then I just show that, and again I just use coref to see the correlation between the horse and score. So correlation is high. For that, I just get the data from the data to the x. Then I just give the values. Then I just using train just in the scalar model selections, I just get the x train x test and y train y test from the following by using this function. And then I just give the linear regression, inside linear regression dot fit of x train and y train. From this, it will be studied according to that. Then I just I just give the regression line. Also, I just plotting the x and y. So how to make prediction means regressor is here. Yeah, here, which we give linear regression dot fit. For that, we just give predict of x test means it will show the details. Then they ask the student study for 9.25 hours. For that, I just give predict of here hours equal to 9.25. I just give 0 of 0 means 9.5. The student studied 9.25 hours in a day. He scored 93.6917 percentage in examinations. So the second grip task is nothing but just analyze the iris data then using the supervised learning. Sorry, unsupervised learning. For that also same the which the libraries. Then I just import the data file from the drive. Then I just get the first 5 data using the head function. Also info, I check the info for the types, and also if there is any null value, it will be showed. So describe means we will see count, means standard deviation, minimum 25%, 50%, and 75% maximum values. Then I just drop the columns of specials and ID. So we didn't want that. And I just calculate the sum of square for the clusters. So after that, we will plot the graph for that. Then I, using k-mean, I just predict the following function, following iris data. By using the k-mean, I just predict the values. For iris segvatio, it will be red. So here also they give. For blue itself, iris vesicolor. So green means iris virginis. Then yellow means it's a centroid. So these two will I done in this grip Jan 2020 internship. Okay, thanks.